Garden sleeves? Am I the only one that didn't know?
Oscar, you want to go outside and see if our seeds are here yet? Come on, let's go to the mailbox. Oh, not yet.
Well, since our seeds aren't here, let's go take a look at these cool garden sleeves.
These are so cool. Am I the only one that didn't know? Look at that. They're beautiful. Just beautiful.
These garden sleeves were a very thoughtful Christmas present. I'm really looking forward to using them in the spring. Not only will they protect my skin against pricklies, but they also say they offer UV protection, so no more sunburn when I forget my sunblock. Fingers crossed that our seeds will be here soon. Thanks for coming. See you next time.